Hello and welcome to Spider-Man ps2 suit ranking for Ultimate Spider-Man. Now I know there's like only 6 suits, but yeah, this video is going to be quick. Okay, we're starting off with the first suit that you wear for the 2-second Venom boss fight in the beginning. There's a lot to say about this suit, but man, I just don't like it. So I'd probably put it in the human spider. Okay, on to the normal Peter Parker suit. Now, I think his face is better than in a PS1 game, obviously, because there's better graphics, so I'd probably put it in, like, amazing. Okay, time for the first suit. Well, I mean, the classic suit. You guys already know where I'm putting this. Boom. 3 suits left, okay. Okay, so for the symbiote suit, we all know where I'm putting that. Bro, honestly, what is this thing, bro? What is that? I might have some dislikes or, like, no views at all for this video, but still. So pretty much this is just a classic suit, but, like, without the webbings or the emblem, but I'd probably have to put it in amazing. Like, what did I tell you? Very short video. What other PS2 game of Spider-Man has alternate skins? I don't think any of them do, actually. Dang, I actually wanted this to kind of be a long video. Huh. Well, bye.